welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a delicious Rocky Road recipe, and it's absolutely amazing. You're going to love it. And that's what I like about Rocky Roads, is you can put absolutely anything in there to your heart's content, and it's going to turn out fabulous. So I've got a small little saucepan here, and it's on low heat. It's just simmering. And I've got an 8 by 8 inch pan that's just been buttered and lined with parchment paper. And I've also got all of my ingredients here measured out. They're ready to go. So I'm going to go over everything with you guys and talk to you a little bit about additions that you can add into it. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I've got everything ready to go. I've got a mixture of semi-sweet chocolate chips and dark chocolate chips, and they're just bits of mini chips and regular sized chips, whatever you have on hand. You can also do like chopped chocolate. You can get a bar of chocolate and chop it up, that's fine. I've got some butter here. It doesn't really matter if it's room temperature or cold. Room temperature butter melts a little bit easier and a little bit faster. So I've got some butter. I've also got some golden syrup. I just buy the Golden Eagle brand, and that works out very well. This kind of keeps the chocolate from getting really hard and being too hard to bite into. So this is going to help keep it a chewy texture. I've also got some cookies here. I've got some Biscoff cookies, and I just roughly chopped them. These are the ones that have the Biscoff cream in the middle, but you can use whatever type of cookie that you like. Works perfectly fine. I've got some marshmallows here. Now, a Rocky Road would not be Rocky Road without marshmallows. So I've just got the plain white marshmallows. You can use the pastel colors. You can use the chocolate ones, whatever you want. So I've got some marshmallows, and they're the mini ones. But if you don't have mini ones, just chop up some large ones. It's fine, it'll work out well. And in here I've got some pretzels and some honey roasted peanuts. Now when it comes to additions to your Rocky Road, you can put whatever you want in there and it's going to be perfect. So you can put Snickers bars, Kit Kats, nuts, pretzels, whatever your little heart desires, you can put it in there and it's going to be fabulous. So what we're going to start off with first is our chocolate mixture. So I've got my chocolate here, and I'm just going to kind of cut this into smaller pieces just to help it along and melt easier. You certainly don't have to do that. You can just chunk it in there whole. It will be fine. It'll melt. And I'm also going to add in my golden honey. Put that all in there. And what we're going to do now is take this over to the stove over simmering water. And you're just going to sit there and stir it until everything is completely melted and smooth, and then I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so my chocolate and butter is melted, and I let it cool for about 10 minutes, and it's slightly warm. You don't want it really, really hot because then it'll melt some of your ingredients. So just let it cool for about 10 minutes till it's slightly warm, which will help mix it later. So I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to add in my marshmallows to a big bowl here. My pretzels and my peanuts, my honey roasted peanuts, and my cookies. I'm just going to give these a little mix. Okay. And now I I am just going to add in all of my chocolate here to everything. Right over the top. Get it all in there. Okay. And then just mix this together really well. So all of those pieces are really well coated. Okay. And then all you're going to do is pour it into your buttered and lined pan. Now when you get it in your pan, you want to make sure it's all leveled off and you don't get any big chunks of one thing on one side and then just chocolate on the other. So we're just going to level this off, pop this in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours and this is completely set. Another thing that you can do with this is you can reserve 1/3 of your melted chocolate before you add in any of your additions. Just set it aside and then mix the rest of the chocolate in with all of your additions. Pop it in the fridge for about 30 to 35 minutes, just until it starts to set, and then just pull it out and then pour over the remaining chocolate and kind of level it off. You can do that, but I just left it, just completely mixed it up and just did it that way. So it's very easy to pull out when it's set, and then all you got to do is just cut it. I like to cut it in fairly small pieces because it is very rich. So I just do about 2" by 2" little cuts here. Some may be a little bit smaller than the others, but that's fine. They all taste delicious. So I'll just cut this up. And it's very easy to cut through. It's not hard. That's because of the golden syrup that we put in there. It kind of keeps it from getting rock hard, and you don't want to break your teeth when you bite into something. So adding that golden syrup in there it just works wonders. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put the Rocky Road in a bowl and put it back in the fridge, but I do have a piece here that I want to try with you guys. That is so good, and it's not hard, it's really soft, and it's just delicious. You've got to try this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and you can find this recipe and many more on my website. It's linked in the description box, as well as my comment section. Just in case if you can't find it there, it's always posted in the comment section. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.